Very good morning, students. In last class, we have learned terrestrial plants. The plants that grow on the land habitats such as plains, cold and snowy mountains. Marshy lands and deserts are called terrestrial plants. Right? In that, plants that grow in the plains, we learned in last class. Right? Students, in this class, I am going to teach you plants that grow on the mountains. High mountains become very cold during snowfall. In mountains, extremely cold in high mountains due to heavy snowfall. Plants undergo changes in their structure or behavior to survive in their environment. Fir, pine, cedar, and spruce are some trees found in mountains. The mountain trees survive in the cold conditions by showing following adaptations. Students, now let's watch small video about plants adapted to hilly regions.
Sid and Neil have come to a hilly region to be a part of their school camp. Look, they are walking on a road and enjoying the beauty of nature.
It is so beautiful here. Look at these pine trees. Aren't they beautiful? Yes, they are. But, Sid, it is so cold here. The wind is chilling. I'm sure these trees must also find it difficult to cope with this extremely cold climate.
Well, kids, there is no doubt that hilly regions have extremely cold climate. However, these hilly areas are the natural habitat of pine trees. Pine trees have some special adaptations that help them to survive in hilly regions. Let's discuss about these adaptations. The first adaptation is the shape of these trees. They have a conical shape. During snowfall, the conical shape allows the snow to slip off easily from the branches of a pine tree. The next adaptation is in the leaves of pine trees. Pine trees have needle-like leaves, which are very tough. This helps the leaves to survive in the cold and snow. Look at the leaves. They are so fresh and green even in this extremely cold climate. More interestingly, these trees do not shed leaves throughout the year. Another adaptation of pine trees is that they have cones in place of flowers. These cones protect their seeds in harsh winters. Such cone-bearing trees like pine are also called coniferous trees or simply conifers. So these are the adaptations that make it easy for pine trees to survive in hilly regions. Not only the pine trees, there are many other coniferous trees like cedar, fir, and spruce that have similar adaptations to survive in winter. Like pine trees, all coniferous trees do not shed their leaves and remain green throughout the year. So, they are all called evergreen trees.
The trees in the mountains are straight and tall. The trees in mountains have conical crowns. Okay, all of you see here, students. This is conical crown, right? This is look like conical in shape. Okay, the conical shape of a tree causes the snow to slide off easily without damaging the tree. Okay, when snow falls on the tree, it easily slides off, okay, without causing any damage to the trees. Students, all of you see here, this is the leaves and cones of a pine tree. Okay, they have tough needle shaped leaves. Okay, all of you see here. These are the needle shaped leaves. Okay, it is difficult for snow to accumulate on the narrow needle shaped leaves. Okay, and protecting them from the a deposit of small white ice crystals formed on the surface of leaves. And instead of flowers, trees have cones. Okay, students, all of you see here, these are the cones, okay, that contain seeds inside. Okay, so these plants are called coniferous plants. Okay. Apart from these plants, mountain regions have other trees also like apple, walnut and almond. And all of you see here, this is apple tree, walnut tree. This is almond tree. Okay. These trees have round crowns. Okay. Coniferous have cone shaped crowns, right? However, this apple, walnut, and almond trees shed their leaves in winter season. Students, all of you see here an apple tree in different seasons. Okay. In winter season, they shed their leaves. Okay. This is in spring season. Okay. During summer, tree produces fruits. Okay. Apple fruits. Students, in this class we have learnt plants that grow on the mountains. Okay. If you have any doubts, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you, students.